Welcome to the Secret Chef. It's me, Chef Gazpacho. We make a beautiful recipe today that will make your mama so proud. Here is the name of today's dish. Pretty special, no? We're gonna need some very nice ingredients if we wanna make it. Let's take a look at what we're gonna use. Those are gonna cook up so nice. I've got the ingredients all mixed up and ready to go. It's a cooking time. Oh, sole mio. Hey, Chef Gazpacho can sing. Ta-da! Oh no, Mama's gonna be mad. Maybe you can help. I know Mama said to use these two foods. You try to find out number 3. I hope you enjoy my little show. Remember, keep cooking.
Secret Chef was brought to you by